The president is taking his oath as the president of Uganda Bloggers Association on this day, 13th August 2021.
I, Tusubira Ibrahim, aka Jaja Ichuli, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah that I will affirm, faithfully execute the functions of the President of Uganda Bloggers Association. I shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Bloggers Association. So also to observe the laws of the all Uganda's constitutional laws. So help me God. I, Ibrahim Tusubira, aka Jaja Ichuli, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah that I shall affirm all the duties of the President of Bloggers Association and uphold, preserve, protect the Constitution of the Bloggers Association and all the laws of the Uganda Constitution. So help me God.